Lesson 1. No be so we take plan am. This sentence in English means, but that is not how we planned it. It is important to note that you can put O at the end of this sentence to express your dissatisfaction towards the other party for not following through on the initial plan. For example, but no be so we take plan am o. It is also important to note that your tone will communicate the degree of your displeasure in this case. For example, tone 1. But no be so we take plan am o. Tone 2. But no be so we take plan am o. Tone 3. But no be so we take plan am o. Do not say, but no be so we take plan am o. That is not how Nigerians speak. Instead, say, but no be so we take plan am, or but no be so we take plan am o. Lesson 2. It's sweet to do business with you. This sentence in English means it was nice doing business with you. It is important to note that you can also say, to do business with you, sweet die, or I just like as I follow you do business. Do not say, it's sweet to do business with you. That is not how Nigerians speak. Instead, say, it's sweet to do business with you, or to do business with you, sweet die, or I just like as I follow you do business. That will be all for today's lesson. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. See you in my next video.